Objective. The aim of our project is to design personal training in order to create customer service culture inside the company. For planning, we took advantage of accessible and free social media platforms and instant messaging software such as Facebook and WhatsApp. For control, in order to get our job done efficiently, we use software like Project Libre and Google Drive.
To understand the process better, we will now look at the as-is map. The as-is map shows how the process goes down. Here, the customer arrives to the store, makes the process of a purchase, and when the customer arrives to the cashier will ask if they have any suggestion or any complaint about their experience. If the customer has a complaint, then the cashier will have to file this information and later send it to the Human Resources Department. After receiving the information from the cashier, the Human Resources Department will prepare a report. This report will then be passed on to the Management Department, in which they will have to face two decisions. The Management Department will then either fix or make a new decision. For this, they will have to prepare on what to do, and after taking into consideration many things, then the new feedback will be sent back to the original department in which the customer filed the report. After receiving the feedback from the Management Department, then the first department will then have to implement the new changes and see if they work. If they work, then the process is finished. In order to see our suggestion better, we will now look at the to-be map. Here we can see much fewer steps. You can see how the customer files a complaint, and then this information is then passed on to the management office instead of going through the human resources one. Management office will then prepare a decision. This new decision is then passed on to the Human Resources Department, where they will record every piece of information. After approving it, then it will be sent to the regional department, where then it will be implemented, and then the end of the process.
As we can see in our indicators, we have made a lot of improvements. Our lead time has gone from 65 minutes to 30 minutes. Our steps have gone from 15 to 6. Our number of errors has been reduced from 7 to 0. And our value-added steps have gone from 6 to 5. We have some improvement proposals as well. We propose to reduce the number of steps inside this process. We should reduce the number of errors. We should improve the quality of service and improve the communication of feedback inside the company. What did we learn from this project? We learned how to correctly develop a work business structure, how to delegate responsibilities to our teammates, about the difference between a process and a project, the importance of following a schedule, and how to develop an as-is and to-be map. As a team, we did many things right, such as striking a great relationship with the company we were working with. We handed every assignment on time. We also had a great communication as a team, and everyone contributed equally to their work. We also had some things that we could do better as a team, such as having a better communication with our tutor since day one. We also had to check the feedback on time in order to make corrections on time as well, and we should have a better participation during our class. Thank you for your attention.